Hello friends. So I made this Zara cap in a different way and I want you to see it. So apart from the fact that I fixed the Zara cap, I did not do that video because I have had a lot of it. I just want to go straight to the design of the Zara cap. In this very cap, I use a belt as the design, and then I also make a separate attachment for the back, so it can be worn without the attachment, and then it can be worn with the attachment. So to do that, I use this fascinator pin to create the to hold the bow, so it will not make me to be able to attach or detach the bow at any time. The fascinator pin is available in the market. It's very affordable. It's not expensive at all, though I cannot actually fix any price to it, but I shall know that it's not expensive. Okay, especially here in Nigeria, it's not expensive. So we created the bow just the normal way we would do, using our crinoline, the material of choice and all of that. Then I went ahead. I think the most important aspect I would like to explain should be the part of the attachment, attaching the fascinator pin to the bow. So the fascinator pin will start by um, belting the bow, that is, make it neat. Okay, and the fascinator pin can be placed in any direction, so you choose the direction you want to place it to sew. But before I choose the direction I would like to place my fascinator pin, I'll start by covering the bow, that is, just wrap it round with any material of choice. It can be plain, it can be the same material you are using for the bow. For this particular tutorials, I used the same material that I used for the bow. So, but if you want to do something outstanding and unique, you can pick any color from the multicolor in the material. You can pick orange, green, blue, red, black, even any color that you know can suit it. Just any of the color from there we work it. All right, so we just belt it for the purpose of it being neat. Okay, so that the part where we use thread to pull together and all of that would be covered. So at this point is ready, so we'll go ahead and just put in the pin like this. So the part where we put it in like this, we are going to sew it. So we sew it with needle carefully, but while you are sewing, ensure that that part is opened. You can see that I separated it. So you are supposed to just sew only the bottom part while you keep that part open like this. So you keep passing your thread in between the middle, and ensure that you do not sew down the top part. If you do that, if you sew the top part down, you would have altered the pin, so it then implies that the pin will not be able to open anymore. So, and that's not part of our plan. So you have to keep this pin open at every point that you are moving your thread. So practically your thread is meant to pass at the middle until you ensure that your sewing is already very tight enough. So you make sure you secure it properly. And even apart from me doing it like this, I will still open it up and then use my hot glue and a separate material to cover that bottom completely. Yes, so there will be no rough part showing again. Both the back and the front will be very neat. So that one is done. We are going to attach the belt. I already showed the measurement for this belt at the beginning. The belt is 140 inches long. So when you are doing yours, if you want it longer than mine, you can make that so that it will be balanced. If you don't do 150, do 140, 160, 180 or 200, so that it will be equal on both sides. So I have attached the belt, then I will pull the cap together the normal way we pull turban. Just pull the cap with your loose stitches, you pull it together the normal way that you pull your turban, and it's ready. So this design is easy, but I love it, and I know that sometimes you might just see something close to it now, they'll start sending it to me. Ma, how do I achieve this? So let me show you before you start sending it to me. So we go around it. You can belt it like pleat. All right, so as in depending on how you want to style it. I did not really style this one too well here, but it can be styled in a better way. You can even belt it to be the beginning, so you see that the front will be very flat. You will not even know that is an already made Zara. That is, if you start by using the belt on your forehead, it will look like it's something that you tie, because it's going to be very, very flat, and you will not notice the presence of the marco. All right, so we belt it, and then we go ahead and attach the design. So at this point, the design is movable, can go anywhere, stay at the side, stay at the back, and then it can also stay on top. It can stay anywhere. Here's the design at the back the first time I put it on the side. And then of course your belt mustn't be flat. You can decide to twist like I did here now. I twisted the belt, and then I went ahead to attach the design from the top of the mark. So that's just it, my friends. Thank you very much for stopping by Creative Pens International. I will see you in my next video. Bye.